If yung VA progress mo is hindi siya gumagalaw at all, if ayun yung feeling mo, there is usually a very simple reason behind it. Hindi siya always about your skills, hindi siya about opportunities, and it's definitely not about luck. Most of the time, it's because you're not tracking anything and hindi ka consistent enough para makita yung mga patterns. Now, let me explain. Dahil maraming mga beginner na VAs ay nagtatrabaho pero wala silang structure, walang record kung ilang applications na yung nasend nila, walang idea kung ilang messages na yung nasend nila, wala silang follow-up system, and wala silang clear na routine na fina-follow. So yung everyday nila just feels the same, walang progress, walang movement, and walang proof that anything is actually changing. So when your brain doesn't see any evidence, it assumes that nothing is happening. Kaya feeling mo stuck ka. Pero yung reality is you're just unmeasured and inconsistent ka. Now, compare mo to someone who tracks everything. Alam nila kung ilang application yung sinesend nila sa isang araw. Alam nila yung response rate nila. And alam nila kung ano yung mga messages na gumagana and ano yung mga messages na hindi. So, nakikita nila yung mga progress nila kahit maliit lang. And more importantly, they stay consistent long enough to build momentum. Because consistency plus tracking creates feedback. And feedback creates improvement. Pero without tracking, you're basically just guessing. And without consistency, you never stay long enough in one direction to see results. So, it always feels like na nag-i-start over ka. Palaging zero, palaging invisible, and doon na pumapasok yung frustration. Because iniisip mo na walang gumagana, pero in reality is wala ka namang mini-measure. So if your VA journey feels like it's not going nowhere, or it's going nowhere, mag-pause ka muna and then tanungin mo yung sarili mo. Am I actually tracking my efforts or just guessing every day? Am I consistent enough to see patterns forming? Because most of the time, your progress is not missing. It's just untracked. And once ma-fix mo yun, you actually realize na you've been moving more than you thought.